Well, good for you. Yeah. All right, let's go.
How long do you do it?
Take off flaps.
You put the MIG wheels on there? On that plane?
No.
What are those, stock wheels?
Yeah.
I've worn mine down that much? Holy crap. I'm not going to go all the way down. Let's go. Pretty much.
Tank cleared.
Why is it drooping so dang much? Yeah. Ready? What's the deal with you taking off? You're about to pass me up. That crazy monster motor. It's got a lot of punch from the low end. Holy crap. Whoa, hello, son. I'm gonna try that new motor next week. Well, after the show. I have the new higher KV motor. It's a higher KV and longer. These things fly so good.
What?
Said they fly so good.
Yeah.
Flying around like a nut. You are. Woo! Going up. I did. Went around it. Thing flies like it's got a gyro. I know you have one. I don't even have one in mine. You're flying like nuts. I love it.
30 seconds.
I think my battery's gonna be a little poofy. I saw that last second. That's it, I'm coming in. I've been flying like a nut.
7, 6,
I'm sure that battery is mad at me.
Time expired.
Bonk.
Battery. I want to see which one's faster, that or this.
The droopy nose bandit.
No,
this thing is fast, dude.
It's really
This
fast.
setup is ridiculous.
this thing looks so weird.
Leave it alone. I'm just like...
Oh no, you know what the problem is? Look at my look at my wheels. Look at the wheels on my plane. Look at the main wheels. There's nothing left. They're completely worn down. Look at them. Yes. There's nothing on them. The tread's gone. I don't know if I was even pointing at this.
Dude, that was awesome. So, that flight was mostly full throttle.
Yeah.
22.4.
You're still good. What pack?
Roaring top 55.
There you go. That's why.
35,
That's why.
45C if I-
There you go. That's why. Testament to Roaring Top right there, everybody.
Screw you, Nate.